Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. We have checked out from the hotel we were earlier staying at and now we are moving into Trident BKC.
Hi guys, so it's what's the time? It's 7:30 and we just took a really good nap. We were super tired, so finally we slept it off. We are feeling very fresh now, and now the plan is that I'm going to take Rohit to Nariman Point, and there we will just walk and we will see everything. And there are two things that I really wanted to do. First is that I'm going to take him to Pizza by the Bay. That is one of my favorite places in Mumbai. I used to come there when I was doing my masters, so I'm going to take him there. Second is that I'm going to take him to the much cliched place Alristom, and I've heard that the ice cream is amazing. I have had that ice cream only once, so I'm going to take him there. So that's the plan. Right now we are just sitting there. We are going to have some drinks, eat some food, have some snacks, and then we are going to leave.
We are now leaving from the hotel to try out some authentic Maharashtrian food.
So we asked the locals and they suggested this restaurant called Photoba.
Yeah, it's in Mahim.
Sorry. Mahim. It's in Mahim.
Yeah.
So we just booked a cab and we will go there and we will try some good food. Rohit has been craving misal pav since morning and I want some pav bhaji. So we'll do that, and after that we will go to Nariman Point and have the ice cream, show Rohit around a little bit.
Yeah.
Guys, we reached this restaurant Photoba and बहुत छोटा है but
it's pretty crowded though.
हाँ, और मेरे को लग रहा है they actually serve authentic Maharashtrian food. They have Maharashtrian thali, they have misal thali and they have Marwari misal thali. तो अभी के लिए हमने एक तो Maharashtrian थाली ऑर्डर करी है और एक मिसल पाव ऑर्डर करा है क्योंकि Rohit has been craving for that. So we will let you know how it looks, and the crowd is also, I think, the Maharashtra, like local people are coming here. We are super excited for the food. We ordered Maharashtrian thali, right? But the people who are sitting over there, they are eating misal thali, and I'm just looking at that and it's amazing. It looks so good. I wish I could eat 2 thalis, but my appetite is rather small.
The food is good and we just can't wait to dig in. It's so good. I cannot tell you.
We asked that guy what this is. He called this is. So this is jhumka. It's made of besan, and these people, they are getting something else for us.
And trust me, this is like so good.
Amazing, guys! It's amazing. And the staff is so nice as well.
And they are so sweet that they are like giving us something else to try as well. We're gonna try that. So guys, we got this another dish which is called as bhaji curry vada.
Bhaji curry.
And the bhaiya was really sweet and they asked us to try it. So I'm gonna try this and tell you how it is.
The flavors are so different. When it's spicy, it's so flavorful. It's really good.
And this thing, it goes so perfectly well because this is like not too spicy or nothing, but it completely balances the spiciness of the gravy. Just finished everything.
And I couldn't stop eating still. It's so good. So good. So we just finished our food, and the manager of the hotel convinced us to try the modak, and Rohit was still hungry. So now we're going to have the modak.
But like, I just wanted to try it.
Yeah, I think even I'll have a bit. But yeah, let's see, now they're getting modak for us. I've always heard about modak and like always seen them in जब वो गणपति का festival होता है, they are making it. So always fantasized about it. Today we are going to eat it. I'm super happy with the place. I love the food. I love the staff. Modak, it's served with ghee. I did not know that they serve कि मोदक घी के साथ आता है. So Rohit, dig in. पता नहीं if it's the right way to eat it, but yeah. How's it?
In Kerala, we have very similar thing, which is called as Kodikatta. It's funny name, but I think it's very similar. It's made out of rice dough and stuffed with coconut and like jaggery. But it has something else. It has some other element. It's giving it a very different taste. So guys, we are at the Potaba restaurant. It was recommended to us by one of our colleagues, and we have the locals also. They said that highly recommended this place for authentic Maharashtrian food. So with us, हमारे साथ हैं, आपका नाम दीजिए. एकनाथ, and he is the manager of the restaurant. आप थोड़ा बताएंगे रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में और लाइक कितना पुराना है और यहाँ का एक कौन कौन सा डिशेस मोस्ट फेमस है.
नमस्कार. यहाँ में 10 साल का पुराना अपना प्युअर महाराष्ट्रियन फूड. पिठला खरडा महाराष्ट्रियन थाली एंड मोदक खरवस स्वीट डिश में मिसल थाली प्योर महाराष्ट्रियन. दाल खिचड़ी मूंग खिचड़ी प्योर महाराष्ट्रियन. एंड उसके साथ में अपना पंजाबी 10 साल है. 10 साल.
और ये एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन कहाँ पे आपका रेस्टोरेंट पड़ता
मेरा
है?
माहिम में शिवसेना भवन है. शिवसेना भवन से 2 सिग्नल से माहिम लाइट मार्केट. 3 साल हो गए.
बहुत अच्छा खाना.
हम लोग को बहुत पसंद आया खाना और आपका लाइक उसका हॉस्पिटैलिटी और जो स्टाफ लोग भी थे बहुत ही कोऑपरेटिव थे, बहुत ही जेंटल थे. तो थैंक यू उसके लिए. सो गाइस, वी आर डन विद द फूड एट Potaba restaurant and now we are heading towards Nariman Point. So Shivani, why are you taking me at Nariman Point?
So first we'll go to the Nariman Point and we'll just walk through the whole food and see the thickness, and then I'm going to take you for ice cream.
Yeah, he's been talking about this pan ice cream which I really want to try, and after the food we had here, I think that goes perfectly. Yeah, let's go. Guys, we reached at Nariman Point. Yeah, now we are walking towards that pan ice cream place which Shivani has been talking about a lot. So yeah, Shivani, how does it feel being back in Mumbai?
I love Mumbai. I absolutely love Mumbai. Mumbai has been so good to me always. So this feels great.
Hey guys, unfortunately we couldn't get that ice cream because that place was closed. I'm really sad that I couldn't try it. So yeah, now we are heading back to our hotel because we got another long day tomorrow.
Yeah, and also like in Mumbai it's extremely crowded, and we know that how the cases are surging in Maharashtra, so we want to be really cautious. That's why we are not going to a lot of places. Like we wanted to go to the Gateway of India and we decided on that, but we came to Nariman Point and we saw how crowded it was, so we decided not to do it. I think it's better to be safe. That's why we're just heading back to our hotel because we still have a long way to cover.
And so yeah, we urge you guys as well to like maintain the safety protocols, wear masks, maintain social distancing. So yeah, that's it from us. See you tomorrow, and tomorrow you'll find out where we are heading next. Till then, ciao ciao. हाँ तो शिवानी जी बताएंगे आज क्या हुआ? Why are you in such a bad mood?
I'm in a bad mood because I got fined. I did not see a signal. And that's not the reason why I'm in a bad mood. I'm in a bad mood because of the sexist comment that was passed by a lady constable. So she was like, मैम को आती भी है ड्राइव करना, मैम ठीक से चला लेती हैं, इनका हाथ साफ है ड्राइव. That's what pissed me off, that you know, like still we are in 21st century and we have to deal with these sexist comments. That too from a lady. So yeah, that's what I'm sad about.